Google released Deep Research. This NotebookLM update will cut hours from your research time. In your notebooks, you'll see an updated user interface with the sources panel on the left side. There's a call to action to try Deep Research, and here's the input field to do that. So we can type business strategy for content creators, and we can use the drop down here. We can specify whether we want to use the web or Google Drive, and then in this drop down you can determine whether you want to try fast research or deep research. We're going to use the deep research for in-depth report and results. This saves a few clicks. You don't have to go back and forth between Gemini, ChatGPT, Perplexity, but you can just do it all right here. You don't even have to click on the add sources. Fast research finished the process within 10 seconds, maybe 20 seconds at the most. But you can see deep research takes a little bit more time. It gives you the progress update for the steps. You can still perform other functions within NotebookLM. The time it takes for it to complete the research might vary depending on the topic, but this completed the research within 4 or 5 minutes, and we can see a summary of the research here. There's a PDF with 42 sources discovered. So let's click on view to see what it gives us. There's a complete report here with the number of sources cited in the report and the sources that weren't cited. So you can explore each of these sources. You can hide the sources so we can see the actual PDF report. There's an executive summary, tables, different sections, a comprehensive report for you to review and import into your sources. If we click on import, then we can use all the other features with the report. But you don't have to import all of the sources. Notice at the bottom, it tells you that the report and all the sources are selected. If you only want to import the report, just deselect all the sources, and it says only the reports selected, so we can just import the report and chat with the report or create other resources from the report like audio overviews, video overviews, mind maps, etc. We can ask this question down here: what specific features empower content creators to repurpose long-form content across diverse platforms? And it comes up with the answer for us, citing all the sources. Actually, if we click on our strategic report and look through it, it even cites where it came up with the information. With all these references using numbers in the brackets, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the report, and it lists all the sources that it used, so you can match them with a number and click on any of the links if you want to find more. So you could have NotebookLM conduct research on various topics like how to start a business in your state, or how to start a business offering a digital product for creating websites, and let it work for you. I'll say NotebookLM needs to give users the ability to stop the research. Right now, what you'll have to do is create another notebook and run another research task. When NotebookLM runs a research task, you can still simultaneously add other sources from Google Drive, websites, YouTube, copy text, or other files, just as you can use other features while it runs the research. And when it finishes, if you don't take either of these actions, delete or import any of the sources, it'll keep this there until you do. So if we navigate back to our NotebookLM homepage, we can see that the results, the research is still there. So we can take action on it at a later time if we don't want to act on it immediately. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.